Hey, what's up, Filecoin hoarders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. So once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Filecoin. What's the current price? What's the price and token in the Filecoin in this video? I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now. ABS channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. My friends, at this time, if we talk about the currently price of the Filecoin this time in the market, so you can see here the current price of the Filecoin is going down 0.002437 USD dollar. Sorry, that is the BTC price, and the upward is 88.12 USD dollar. Is the current price of the Filecoin in the market in a USD dollar, and the below one is the Bitcoin BTC price of the Filecoin. Now on the other side, if we talk about the price change of the Filecoin, so the pricing is absolutely going negative, going precious. But unfortunately, you know what? Why I'm sad? I'm sad due to the previous change occurred in the Filecoin. The last 1 hour, the last 1 day pricing is negative. So I'm worrying about that. That when will the Filecoin start again pump, my friends. So, anyways, take care. And what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Filecoin? Also share in the comment box. You can see here from the previous last 1 month, the price of the Filecoin is completely fast down, and the last 1 hour pricing is positive. So no, the last 1 hour pricing is positive. I can't believe that. What's going on this time in the Filecoin? Unbelievable change in the Filecoin you are seeing here. Now, my friends, in the next week, the price of Filecoin will pump. But you have to hold. If you hold, you will get profit. If you sell, nothing you will get in the future, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Filecoin? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe. Always stay tuned for more this kind of news and updates videos.